Whether you're heading out for the night or you're throwing a house party, you definitely have to learn how to make Vegas bombs. This 4-ingredient shot is perfect for almost any occasion, and I know that you're gonna love it, especially when you can learn how to recreate it exactly like they make it at the bar. Don't forget to subscribe for even more shot videos in our cocktail recipe series. With just 4 ingredients, you can make the most delicious tasting Vegas bomb. Start out by adding some ice to a cocktail shaker, and then we're using 2 ounces of Crown Royal Canadian whiskey. This recipe makes 4 shots, which is why we need quite a bit of liquor. Next, come behind that with 2 ounces of peach schnapps. This helps give everything a nice fruity taste. And then we'll also need 2 ounces of Malibu rum. Once everything is in the cocktail shaker, you're going to place the lid on and give it a nice shake. You'll want to shake until it's well chilled, which usually takes about 15 seconds. Once the drink is mixed together, we're going to strain that into 4 rocks glasses. This recipe makes pretty large shots, so you'll want a rocks glass over a typical shot glass. To finish the shot off, you'll need some chilled Red Bull energy drink. You'll want to top off each shot with about half an ounce. Then serve these up to your friends and enjoy your party. You're gonna love how these taste. The full recipe along with tips and tricks will be linked in the description below.